This computer came back. We're pretty sure that it's having an issue with RAM sticks, so we're just going to swap that out. This is an HP ProBook 440 G4, and we've had a couple issues with this model in the last couple of weeks. They're getting a little aged, so I'm just going to swap out that RAM cartridge and go from there. I've got a spare one right here by SK Hynix. Put that guy in and put the door back on. And screw, screw, screw. Snap the back plate. And let's see if it boots back up. Yay! Okay, looks like it was a RAM cartridge. But that is how you'd replace RAM sticks on an HP 440 G4.